It doesn't seem to be grabbing you every 10 seconds.
I'm sorry, Jax. I'll get you out of here. You'll be fine.
Don't know. Blood's supposed to be on the inside.
Take the laser shot. Burn it. Cauterize the wound.
Raiden!
I must reverse his spell. Romelego, Esaltika, Arventika, Romelego.
It's working!
Essensota, Peta.
You cannot say it here. You're weak, Thunder God. Johnny Cage is mine.
No, he's mine. Save him! I've got this son of a bitch. No pain, no gain.
Claw you, bass. What the? What? None for you, thanks.
You will obey.
No, I won't. You don't want it. Okay. You can't make me.
That wasn't even close to what you deserve.
Nope.
That's very cool.
That's
Sonya Blade, the link with Quan Chi is not completely severed.
Not a problem.
Now there's should be one more after this. Broken jaw. No. Herb stomp. Oh. Oh.
Good.
He's still alive. Shoot him in the face. You have a gun.
Oh. Not my dick.
That seemed to do it. Soon as the center of his power was dissolved. So... Okay.
Saved the one and the other thing?
Yeah, because it said there's a link with Quan Chi. He's controlling them. So they're undead. Now, they were... Oh, that explains the... Okay, see, the whole thing with them being undead was weird. In Outworld, you're dead. Like, it's the land that you go to Outworld when you die. You can just leave.
The others are restored to the
Happens all
living.
the time.
By coupling Quan Chi's dark magics to my own, I was able to restore their souls.
So...
Is he gonna make it?
Haven't I told you? He's a god.
You scared the shit out of me.
And they said I couldn't do horror films.
Yeah, I'm glad you
He's gone? How did he...
We gotta go after him.
He can wait.
I like
Right
him now
now,
that he's left.
we need to get you and the others back to Earthrealm.
Smart ass at this point.
So, 3 of them are back.
Get resurrected. Get undead.
Get rizzed.
Name. Ray-M, A2KE Ray.
Thanks.
You seem to know this Kano intimately.
Not the word I'd use, but yes. I chased him for years until he escaped to Outworld after Shinnok's invasion.
Why would he return now?
All that matters is he's...
Here.
caught. Gotcha.
Cloaking. Get cloaked.
Are you lost?
How did he not find him right away? He can effectively pinpoint humans.
Hello, love. Been a while.
Not long enough. This is General Blade. I need MPs to my location immediately.
Oh, let's keep this between friends.
I need red tip.
That's right. Info for freedom.
I don't negotiate with scumbags.
Well then, if mother won't play nice, maybe daughter will.
If you ever...
Back off, then all's well. Piss me off, and Cassie's gonna meet Uncle Kano.
I swear to God.
Yeah, that was where he was going. That was where he was going. Oh, what a dude. R1. Huh? One piece? This is one piece of dude. By the way, R1. Oh, you can leap the car for leaping. So that's bad. No, he left though. He left over your counter. Hold on, please. They're gonna keep doing this until you block. There you go. So it looks like you're finally getting what I get all the time. Jesus. Haze in the bow. Right in near. There you go. It's painless. Ah. I was just saying get shameless. Didn't work.
I swear to God.
Ow. Bitch, please. Ah, that was on fire.